In this video, we will show you a guide on what to do when you get a new iPhone. 1. Backup old phone. Perform a final backup on your old handset before breaking the tape on your replacement iPhone and migrating your data. There are several ways to back up your phone before, after, and when you get a new iPhone, you can choose the way you like. 2. Upgrade old iPhone. Before proceeding, ensure your old iPhone is running the latest OS version. Step 1. Click Settings on your iPhone, then click General. Step 2. Click Software Update, then download and install to upgrade. 3. Delete unnecessary applications. Performing some basic cleanup will reduce the clutter on your new iPhone. It's time to set up your new iPhone. This process includes transferring your data from your old phone. If you use the Coolmuster iOS assistant to back up data to a computer, you can restore the data you backed up on your computer to your new iPhone easily. Step 1. Connect your new iPhone to your computer. Launch the Coolmuster iOS Assistant app. Step 2. In the Super Toolkit, select the iTunes Backup Restore option. Go to the Import tab, browse and choose the backup files from your computer. Then hit OK to begin transferring the backup file to your iPhone device. Quick Start is Apple's tool to assist in iPhone to iPhone transfers. Note that for this method, you will need both the old and the new iPhones to transfer everything. Step 1. Place the old iPhone next to the new one and Quick Start will appear. Ensure you turn on your Bluetooth. Step 2. Click Continue on the prompt to set up your new iPhone using your existing Apple ID. An animation will then appear on the new iPhone. Step 2. Place the old iPhone on the new one, then center the animation on the viewfinder. Once this process is finished, enter your current passcode on the new iPhone. Set up your Touch ID or Face ID on the new iPhone. Step 4. Tap Transfer from iPhone on the Transfer Your Data screen to initiate the transfer process from the old to the new iPhone. If you backed up your data on iCloud, you can restore and transfer them to your new iPhone easily. Step 1. Set up your new iPhone. Step 2. Tap Restore from iCloud Backup on the app's data screen. Sign in with your Apple ID. Choose the backup you made on your old iPhone. If you backed up your data using iTunes, here is how to restore your data to your new iPhone. Step 1. Power on and set up your new iPhone. Step 2. Tap Restore from iTunes Backup on the app's data screen. Connect your new iPhone to the PC used to back up your data. Step 3. Open iTunes on your PC. Locate your new iPhone and click Restore Backup.